Hello, everyone. Welcome back, guys. Great to see you all back again. I hope all of you had a great weekend. Good afternoon. All right. The market's gonna about to open in about not 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I am kind of thinking what to trade. Great to see y'all back again. Liam GHJ. What is up? Adam B in the house. Do Yan in the house. Yes, sir. I had a great weekend. How about yourself? Yeah, this market's definitely gonna get very, very interesting, everybody. Welcome back once again. Gentaki, what do you expect to buy or sell? I'm gonna have to see the first 5 minutes of the day. I am leaning more to the upside. I'm still looking for a little pullback and then try to go long, maybe from there. And that's what I'm kind of thinking right now. What up, John? Jan25 in the house. Justin Rod in the house as well, man. What is going on? How was your weekend? My weekend was fine. My weekend was fine, guys. Thank you so much for asking. How about yourself? How was everybody else's weekend? The weekend isn't over yet, by the way. We are still on a weekend mode. Adam B, man. I think they dump it. Oh, yeah, maybe. Trade negotiations back into play. Well, I saw the Discord stating about Trump and Xi Jinping. Looks like they're gonna meet again, which is fine. Major League Basketball. Baseball, sorry, baseball. I don't really. No. I mean, only thing I really watch is golf. That's pretty much it. Pretty much just golf. What is up? Good afternoon, Coach Fred in the house. Just the right. Trump is taking back 100% additional tariff on China. Was that Trump, Coach? That Trump can buy the dip? It's kind of scary, man, guys. I mean, you have Trump taking that 100% off the table, and if this market starts to rip, I mean, let's just put things into perspective here, guys. Let's see how far this market has actually gone. I'm just taking it back to the 4-hour chart. Wow, guys, we are right now. The all-time high is at 365. You know, I kind of feel like this market's gonna get us back into the all-time high, in my opinion. But I don't know if we get a pullback first before we do that. The market is just extremely so bullish, right? Very bullish. Yeah, it's a tough market, guys. I mean, we had a pullback all the way down into, and this really did not take a long time. In a matter of a few days, it took us from 24,400 all the way into the 25,030. So that's like over 500 points. I think in about 2 days, or maybe in a day or so. I don't know. If you just exclude the weekend, so this market is definitely very bullish. Are we gonna see something like this take place? I don't know, man. I don't think that's the case, in my opinion. I kind of feel like we try to move, take us higher, back into the 362. But let's see how this market opens, right? We had a good news come out on the weekend, which is Trump saying he may be taking 100 points off the table with China. Now, how is that going to, you know, how's it going to be today? We're going to have to find out, guys. I am very interested to know how it's going to open right at the gate. Maybe we may be doing something like this, right? We may be here. I wouldn't be surprised if we get up into somewhere here, for example, right off the gate, guys. Right at the gate. We'll see. Or we may get down, but this could be quickly bought, right? So we'll see. It's gonna be a very interesting day. I'm gonna be trading MNQ. I'm gonna be trading MNQ. Good luck, everybody. If you guys are trading, we got 4 more minutes. We're in Asia, guys. The market's obviously gonna be very weird in a sense. I don't expect a huge volatility today, but I think the market's gonna move in one direction throughout the rest of the night, and then by tomorrow we may either see a big gap to the upside or to the downside, one of the two. We'll see how it goes. Justin White, what is up, man? 24,600. Oh, right out the gate. 24,600. That's like 400 points away from where we are right now. That's incredible. Bowser in the house, man. You don't watch curling as good. Curling, yeah, I don't really watch. I'm sorry, man. Coach Fred. Bowser, I think it's gonna go up or down. Well, yeah, that's right. It's gonna go up or down. We're gonna find out, guys. We are going to find out today what it's going to be. I don't want to take a look at the gold, so I'm like, you know what? I'm trying to stay away from gold as much as I can. So ask Bowser, how's it gonna be? Or maybe you can ask Justin Wright in the house. I'm not gonna put too much attention, to be honest, for today. I think I'm gonna try my level best to put a lot of my energy into the New York, right? I think today is not the kind of a day that you want to really go aggressive on your accounts. I am gonna do a little bit of a warm up, if you feel. So it's gonna be kind of like a warm-up today, tonight, and then tomorrow morning we'll try to fight the market and bid the market and get our funded accounts to pay out, guys. And that's the whole plan for now. Don't forget, it's Asia market. I don't think this is the time to do an aggressive trades with funded accounts. I don't think. We've got a lot of news that came out of the weekend, and those are actually pretty good. So we're gonna have to see how it goes. Right at the open, I think this market's gonna give us some volatility to start, and then maybe we could kind of like slow down as we go through the rest of the night. But at the start, I think we could see some volatility. You know, we could do something like this, whoo, 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 right? And that could really be about a nice little 50 to 80 points range. So we'll see how it goes, guys. I've got two charts open now. I've got a 1 minute chart on the main screen, and on the left hand side we got 30 minutes chart, and that's right at the pivot here, as you guys can see. Right, we have this. We got a rejection of that pivot, and we got another one here. So we're gonna find out. If we get up, I think we try to retest the high at 108. Okay, 108. So this is gonna be important, very, very crucial. Let me just draw a better line here. It's right, 108. We've got 1 more minute, guys, for Asia. A little Asia, you know, nothing really. Oh my God, guys, look at that. Oh, no, 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 flatten, flatten. Guys, I don't know what happened. I'm kind of testing the water. Yeah, I know, man. I made a mistake. I pressed the wrong button. I was supposed to go long. Anyways, guys. It's okay. Calm down. Everything's okay. Let's see. I'm gonna give myself a lot of room here. And let's see. Okay, so here I am, guys. We had a nice, beautiful gap to the upside, right? That's a nice, beautiful gap to the upside, guys. Let's just see. We got almost 0.5% move to the upside right now. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised you get a pullback here down. I don't know if you're gonna fill the gap though. I don't think so. Zen 25, did any of your take profit trader payout get approved? No, not the take profit trader. I got my Apex accounts denied, but I did not have anything to request in take profit trader. All right, guys, let's see. We hit a high at 100. We could see a little pullback down. I wouldn't be surprised if we do that. I don't know. I'm not in a camp of a filling the gap, to be honest, to the downside. Yeah, I got my Apex payout denied, guys. Yeah. They told me you hedged. They told me you hedged. I have no idea. I don't want to go too much into details, but they told me you hedged, and they gave me a screenshot. But then, to be quite honest with you, screenshot, you know what I mean? Like, screenshot sounds kind of, you know, I don't know, man. I'm not gonna talk about it, but it's okay, guys. We'll trade for $50 every day, and then we'll get to the new payout. Oh, they also took my profits back too. No, I don't hedge. I don't hedge. You guys, I mean, obviously you guys know that I don't hedge my accounts. I never hedge, and I'm not interested in hedging, so. But I don't want to go too much into details, which is fine. But I do kind of feel like, you know, maybe I got into a trade between NQ and MNQ. I'm not sure. Yeah. All right, guys. All right, we are pulling back here, which is nasty. Look at this pullback here, guys. All right, so we'll see how it goes. Wow. We hit a EMA here at 52. Let's see if we actually end up holding this. Wow, what a what an ugly looking chart all of a sudden now. Are we actually gonna fill the gap now? Very, very all right, guys, I'm gonna leave it there. 400, we'll see. May get a bounce, but that's a pretty ugly looking chart, right? That's a pretty ugly looking pullback, right? I don't like this pullback here. What is up, Michelle in the house, man? Yeah, not a great looking chart, man. I don't like the way it's actually pulling back here, so. We'll see. Obviously, this market's very, very volatile, guys. Even with 5 micro, I'm like down about 180 bucks, man. That's quite a lot, right? That's quite a lot, but so far, guys, we'll wait and see. I'm gonna try and take a stab and try to trade this thing. Hey, everybody, man. And do not thank me. I thank you guys for being here, right? Every day, right? I should be thanking you guys. Thank you so much, Rob DC. Thank you, Jonathan. Thank you, Scalpster. Asia never fills the gap. Michelle, thank you for being here on a weekend. We are still on a weekend mode, by the way. The weekend isn't over yet. And thank you, all of you. Let's make some good trades here. Let's have some fun, by the way. Let's try to have some fun here today. Again, guys, this isn't New York, right? Let's not get too overly excited. Try to take a little step back. Scale down on your trades. The market obviously is going to be very choppy, right? I wouldn't personally. I wouldn't want to trade any of my funded accounts tonight. I'd like to see how it ends up tomorrow morning. I think tomorrow morning is going to be really important to kind of give us a well, I guess it's going to set a tone to how it's going to be for the rest of the week. So I think tomorrow morning is going to be truly important. We'll see how the market kind of starts tomorrow, and then we can kind of try to be more aggressive, right? But until then, we'll go a little, we'll go a little slow. We'll calm down. We'll try to trade one trade at a time, and we'll see how it goes, guys. We'll have a hard stop as well on my trades, right? I've got my hard stop here on my trades. Because just in case, this market obviously is going to be crazy, right? It's going to dump all the way down, and next thing you know, this market could actually end up getting a bounce after dumping, say, 80 points. Do something like that and reverse back up again. So right now, I kind of feel like maybe I'm safe to place my stop here at 44. I'm going to leave it there, guys. Shame, it's an earnings week too. Yeah, that's another one. Earnings week, and we still have not got any resolution on our tariff just yet. So we got a lot of news. The regional banks, I think that's kind of calmed down now, but I still think there's some ways to go. We'll see, guys. We're getting some news already coming up from financial juice as well, but still Still volatile, guys. This market is still very volatile. So we got inflation now. People are talking about inflation. The government shutdown isn't over yet. I think I'm trading my Tradify eval account that I hit DLA last week. I'm using that to trade right now to start the day. All right, guys, the market kind of choppy after hitting that $100, right? We hit the 100, that was the top, and the bottom here at 52. So we hit a high at 100 here, and then we hit a low here at 49. So let's see how it's gonna play out. We really have to get above this to kind of feel a lot more bullish. We'll see, guys. Let's see if we can actually break out of this 78, 80, and then look to see if we can retest the high at 100, and then have a continuation move to the upside at 125. 125 is probably where I kind of feel like maybe it may try to go. If we can hold this level right at 80, then we could see this move. We push and we hold this level. I think we have a continuation move to the upside. Are we gonna feel the gap today? It's going to be hard to say if we are going to fill the gap, but we have to really get above this 80 to have some more conviction of this market moving here to the upside, right? If not, then I think we try to call back down, retest the low here at 50, and then maybe we could fill the gap to the downside from there. We'll see, guys. I'm just going to leave this trade as is for now. Yeah, I mean, Apex, all I have to do is just trade for 8 more days, and we'll get to the payout, you know? We'll get to the payout. Yeah, no, that isn't gonna change how we may end the month. No, that doesn't change. I think we're still okay. We could get it up there. We still have how many more days to go, guys? We still have another let's take a look, guys. We still have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got another 10 trading days, guys. 10 trading days. And that's a lot of days to kind of try to do a little catch up and request a payout after that. Yeah, so far I'm kind of like in that 13,000. So let's see. I still got my target 30K. We'll get it there, guys. 30,000. We'll get it there, guys. All we really have to do is just be patient and trade slow, because I already got the buffer. I've got already profits on those accounts. The Apex accounts, for example, like, you know, it's right here. Am I right? I already got the profits on there. Even though they took the profits away, I still have some profits. So all I have to really do is trade for $50 more, and then I've got 3 accounts that I've got to trade a little more aggressively. But really, I think I could potentially get there. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, that's right, Corey McArdle. What up, man? Yeah, sorry guys, I've got to update my Streamlab here. Wow, Funding Features Network actually work on the weekend. I'm getting responses back on the weekend. Pretty interesting, guys. Pretty interesting. I like that. Hold on, guys. I'm trying. My computer. I think my computer network is down. Can you guys hear me right now? Can you guys hear me well? Yeah, that's weird. My network's kind of down right now. It's weird. And you guys can hear me too. What in the world is going on right now? Take Profit Trader has not approved your payout yet from Friday. So anything that you guys have done on Friday with Take Profit Trader, they usually do it on Sunday night. So expect to get approved on Sunday night. Okay, so by tomorrow morning, you're gonna see like the whole bunch of your whatever approval that you gotta have. They will get approved on Monday by Monday morning. Let's say early Monday morning at like 2 a.m. in the morning. You're gonna see all of that approved. So Take Profit Trader is excellent in that. You know, they're not gonna run away with your money, so shouldn't have problems. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you for confirming that everything's good. Okay. Kirk, LGC, Henry, thank you guys. David Miller, LGC, JJ, what up, man? Brian F. Adams, how's it going? Thank you guys. And thank you all of you for being here today. Well, let's take a look. Yeah, I mean, something's wrong with my network, guys. It's kind of slow. I don't know why. My YouTube's working, but everything else is kind of like, ooh. That's weird. Anyways, let's just try to focus on trading now. Because I'm trying to get my browsers open, but it's not doing that. Weird. But, whatever. What are the rules in Take Profit Trader after passing the first stage? There's only two stages. One is the eval stage, and one is the funded account stage. So you only have two. On your eval stage, it's a 50% consistency rule. $3,000 target for a 50K account. And once you pass, then you get to the funded stage, which now will start to trail on your account. Right? And if you get above the buffer of $2,000, you can start requesting a payout the very same day. So that's what it is, really. All right, guys, market is pretty choppy here, right? After a big move to the upside. I'll leave my stop here. You know, I kind of feel like we're holding still in this very important 62 levels, so we'll see how it goes. I mean, I kind of like still, you know, maybe the retest of high. I don't know, man. Obviously there's no such thing as guarantee, but you know, I kind of feel like, you know, we try to hit the high, initial high, retest that level, and maybe get a pullback from there. I don't know. But for now, that's what I kind of feel like this market is going to do. So, is the buffer Take Profit Trader 50% above allowed over? I mean, it's not allowed, but if you get over 50%, then you're going to have to make that much more to bring it down to below 50% consistency, okay? So it's not like, you know, it's not like they're going to take your account away or they're going to disable your account just because you're above 50%. It's just that you got to have to make more profits, right, to bring the overall profits down below 50% consistency, which is kind of hard. So I would honestly just prefer to just stay within the 50%, right? Just make it below, like, you know, 50% is good. That's like $1,500. If you have 2 days, you make 50%. That's like $3,000 of profit you made, and that's the target. So, and then the rest of the 3 days, all you really have to do is just make $1 to just count it as a day, really, right? And that's what it is, guys. Nothing really too crazy. So withdrawal 50% of the profits over buffer. No, it's everything. It's 100%. You can take 100%. Say, let's say if you make $3,000 of total profits, minus $2,000 because that's the buffer, right? So that $1,000 you can take it away, like immediately, the very next day, or not very next day, the very same night. Thank you guys for being here, everybody. Thank you so much. How's everybody doing? Don't forget the split is 80%. That's true, yeah. You have a split 80% with Tech Profit Trader. Honestly, I wish the split was 90%, to be honest. I think we have some weird splits, man, to be honest. That's the reason why I say funding ticks is probably the good one for me, because they're 90%, right? So you take home 90%, and their accounts are cheaper. I don't know. Like Take Profit Trader is 80%, 80-20, and then I think My Funded Future is also 80-20 as well. And who else is there? Apex is obviously 100%. Belonox is 100%, so you take everything with you. So I kind of feel like, you know, all these firms are kind of give and take. At the end of the day, you know, it's like, you know, you're paying a price. That's why some people stop trading with My Funded Futures. All right, guys, we are getting a little pullback here. Lucid is 100% until 10K. That's right, and even Tradify is pretty good too. Yeah, me personally, I don't like My Funded Futures. There's many reasons I don't want to talk about it, but I hate them. They piss me off. So what kind of news do we have next week? Very interesting, guys. No, thanks, Knowledge, for sharing your next week's chart. The earnings release next week, guys. Let's just take a look, quickly take a look. And I thank you so much, Michelle, for sharing this. Let's see what we have here with us. We got Coca-Cola, which obviously going to give us a lot of clues on how this market economy is doing. So I think Coca-Cola is gonna definitely make a move the market. You got Netflix as well right after the market close. Asia market is gonna get pretty interesting, guys. Netflix is gonna definitely move the Asia market, 100%, without a doubt, right? That's gonna be huge. And then so that's Tuesday. So let's just take a look at Monday. Do we have anything else really on Monday? I don't really see anything there. There's Xeons, man. The Xeons is gonna be a big one. Is this the mark? Is this the bank, the regional bank? This is regional bank, I think. The Xeons is the one that kind of got wrecked last week. I think this is the one, if I'm not wrong. If it is, then I think, yeah, it's gonna move the market too, of course. And then we've got really anything else. We got Quantum Escape. That's gonna move the market, of course. Tesla, wow. On Wednesday after close, man. We got some events every day. We got Netflix after close on Tuesday. Tesla on Wednesday. And then we also have Intel on Thursday after the close. That's gonna be huge. A lot of airline stocks reporting on Thursday. Yep, we got some big stuff coming out next week, guys. Oh, and by the way, I bought one account. Oh my god, guys, I'm almost getting stopped out of here. I almost got stopped out. Look at that, guys. I guess the slippage actually kind of works out sometimes really well for you. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Did I actually get stopped out or no? I did not do that. God, look at this, guys, man. Incredible. I should have gotten stopped out on that trade. Absolutely. But I kind of got saved. Let me just move my stop now a little bit down into the 41. That's interesting. That was a funny one. I should have gotten stopped out. I was right here. I was right here. Wow, man. I would have been pissed if it stopped me out and you got a bounce like that. I would have been pissed. But you know what? I'm gonna move my stop to 40 now. Give me a little discount. Yeah, it doesn't look good at all, man. It's like lower high now. Lower high, lower high. Lower high, lower high, lower high, guys. We gotta break out of this now. I don't know. We better get up pretty fast. The market's not gonna like that, guys. The more you just sit here and create a lower high, we have a problem. Yeah, we may fill a gap, guys. We could, with the way it's moving. Yeah, I mean, I don't really have a lot of juice, to be honest, man. I would rather get stopped out here. Yeah, I would rather get stopped out here, guys. I kind of feel like, you know, if we pull back all the way down to the 43, I kind of feel like we could not just fill the gap. Maybe we try to roll down. Roll over down. You know, we could get down here as well. Yeah, man, this price action kind of SUCK, to be honest, right now, to be honest. But well, I will see. Who knows what this market's gonna do, right? Sometimes the Asian market does you know, give us a lot of surprises, right? So maybe we get a little surprise here tonight. Who knows? JJ in the house, man. What up, man? Adrian, Tim, JLF in the house. Janek, what up, man? CPO on Friday too. JJ, really? Sachita, what up, man? Sachita in the house. Thank you so much for being here. AB McGee, Marcel, Jesse in the house. How about Take Profit Trader? What do you mean? Take Profit Trader is fine. They're doing great. Take Profit Trader is still my number one. Look at this bounce, man. Like, if it stopped me out there at 42, I would have been crying right now. That's incredible. Wow, that's a pretty good bounce. Paul, is Top Step good to start? You're new to this. I don't know. I honestly, it's that's pretty tricky. I wouldn't, like, if it's me, I don't know. I'm not obviously gonna tell you what to do, but if it's me, I'll probably go with if you're new. If I'm new and if I have to pick an account to trade with some level of trading experience as well, and you have the confidence that you could also pass at the same time, I'll probably just go with funding ticks, to be honest. I mean, my humble opinion, I think, oh man, guys, 1 second. We are pulling back here. What a nasty pullback here, guys. This is a lower high again. I don't know. I just don't like this, to be honest. We are trying to push it down, to be honest. I think at some point we could just crack all the way down. Or maybe I should try to add to my position on the way down. I don't know, man. Wow, this is a pretty nasty pullback here, to be honest. Maybe let's just try to do something a little different. I only have like $400 drawdown. I only have $400 drawdown on this, to me. So it does, yeah, it looks like it wants to push, you know, something like that, right? So that's what kind of bothers me a little bit, but let's try. Let's give it a try here again, guys. We'll give one more try. I'll try to add to my position on our way down to the 40s. I can add more. Yeah, I've only got 6 micros right now. I can add more. Only thing is, I don't really have a lot of conviction that it's gonna get a bounce back up again, right? So I kind of feel like it's lower high, lower high. It's, you know, it's like this, right? Bounce lower high, bounce lower high, bounce lower high, and then it's gonna crap all the way down and fill the gap to the downside, right? I'll try to add one more here. I'll try to add one more. Well, we may retest 25. Man, that's all the way down. The 25 is all the way down. I don't know. I don't know if this market is going to do that right now. Do you think this market has what it takes to do it now? Maybe during New York, but I could be wrong. Who knows? What is up, man? X Futures Trading. What is going on, man? Paul, Maximus, Henry, JJ. This is definitely giving a little pullback here, guys. Not great looking chart so far. This could be a lower high, pulling back here. I may try to average down and try to see if I can survive this trade, to be honest. I've only got $330, so don't really have a lot, guys, based off this trend line. Because see this thing fill the gap. Ugh. I mean, $300 of 5. Yeah, I'm gonna place my stop here, guys, right at the 33. And if we get a flush here, then I'll be out of this trade. Let's try add one more. Oh man, that's it. That's all I can do right now. $300, 600. 600. Maybe I can add one more. Yeah, that's all I can do. If this is gonna stop me out, that's fine. $300, 6. Yeah, this is all I can do. $600. If we get a little pop here, I'll try to downsize. Yeah, look at that pullback, guys. Incredible. One more. We'll see, guys. I may get stopped out right now. Let's see. Don't really have a lot. No juice at all, guys. A small little pullback here, I'm out. We got pretty close to that area at 38, so this could get pretty interesting, guys. Let's see if we can actually hold this now. Try to retest the pivot here at 60. Let's see, guys. Oh, we just dumped right here. We may get a little bit of a retest, guys, though. Right, we hit a 39. Now is the low. Maybe this could be the short-term bottom. We'll find out. We'll see. Please don't pull back here. No! I'm literally about 4 points away from my entry, guys. Just give me a little pop so I can exit my trade. Come on. I'm pretty sure you could do this. From a grand scheme of things, I'm only down to 70, but then this DLL, because I've hit my DLL, so I really have a lot of juice in this account. And that's the bigger problem, right? This is not tilt. This is just I don't have enough drawdown. That's all. That's all it is. Yeah, the market's just obviously never gonna give what you want, right? Usually it's not the case. So even though I kind of, oh, well, hold on, maybe it's gonna give it to me. Nobody knows. Guys, what is going on, man? My computer just froze against me. Oh, there we go. It's working now. Are we gonna do something different? Can we get something different here? Is this something gonna be very different? Hold on one second. I may get a lucky, maybe a little lucky. I don't know. Do not tell me you're just gonna pull back right here, guys. Do not tell me. Do not tell me. Oh my god, it actually hit it, guys. Whoa. Oh. Look at guys, look at that, guys. This is definitely getting a lot of fun, guys. Surviving the battle here, guys. Surviving. Oh my god. All right, guys, hit my TP there. Pretty good. Let's see if we can actually hit the pivot and try to get above that now. We got a view up here at 63. I'm gonna take one more off the table now. All right, guys, I'm down to what again? I'm down to 6 now. Try to take one more off the table. All right. Yeah, honestly, I don't know. Well, let's just leave it here for now. We'll see how it goes. I'm placing my stop here at 45, guys. Placing my stop at 45. Woo, that was pretty close. My target, let's try to see if we can actually keep moving here to the upside, of course. Well, we kind of held nicely in that 39, 38, so... But of course, this market is definitely not looking clean, right? I kind of feel like it's gonna chop, take everybody out. And then, I don't know, and then squeeze maybe after taking everybody out. Very interesting looking 30 minutes chart, right? We're in that indecisive battle zone. The bulls and the bears trying to take control of this area now. So we'll see. Pop, dip, and rip. Absolutely, sir. And that's what it's all about. Let's see if we can actually get above this. Yeah, we got a lot of levels we gotta get past, right? We got a VWAP here at 63. We got a pivot here at 58. Top end of this trend line. The volume's kind of dying as well, so it's kind of like, well, do we get a bounce or do we just fall apart? Try to fill a gap to the downside. No volume at all, guys. The volume died completely. Right? No volume at all right here. But no volume though, guys. No volume. And we got a lot of resistance shares, so I don't know. Oh, this could be a little bit of a fake, I guess. I mean, we're in the Asian market, guys. I mean, anything can happen, right? You guys know. You guys know the drill. We're in the Asian market. I think this is gonna stop me out. Yeah, what a nasty looking chart, guys. A slow grind pullback, you know. At least thank God I exited my trade. Look at that. It almost stopped me out there again, and we are getting a little bit of a bounce. Yeah, we're right at that 46, guys. Almost stopped me out. Pretty interesting. Very, very interesting, guys. Stock Tiger getting luck in Asia as well. Holy. I wish this is the case during New York though. Guys, tomorrow and the rest of the week, New York is going to be truly important. Because yeah, we got a lot of stuff I gotta do really well during New York. It's going to be a big week. Yeah, it's very important, guys. It's very important that I do well because I've got a lot of accounts that I am trying my level best to request a payout. So I've got to get there. A lot of work to do, guys. A lot of work. It's yeah. I mean, I'm not trying to make it sound like I but it's gonna be a very important weeks. Next week is gonna be very important. It's really gonna be kind of like it's really gonna set a tone on how my trades and my payouts are gonna be for the next 6 to 8 weeks. Okay, so that's really gonna dictate how it's gonna be for the next month as well. Because if I end up getting screwed up this month, which obviously I had a great start to the month, and then obviously the last 10 days has been pretty messy, both during Asia and New York. So, and on top of that, I've got a payout denial, and that kind of made things even worse. So, you know, like it's right now I'm kind of sitting in that 14,000 range for the month of October, after getting all the stuff denied. So it would have been a nice beautiful 22k if I actually sorry, it's about 16k. So about 16k is what I've got, and if I got approved on my payout, that would have been nice beautiful 22k plus. And then all I really had to do was try to fight for another 6 to 8k, give or take. And that's gonna be, you know, that's like, you know, a base hits for the rest of the month. You know, I'll probably get there. But with the payout denial that I just got right now, last few days ago, puts me in a little bit of a challenging situation. And on top of that, I did not really have a great last 10 days of trading. So, you know, it's like I better do better, right, than the last 10 days I was in. So guys, I'm gonna try and long here. I've taken one more off the table. We'll see, guys. So far, it's we hit a view up here. We got a little rejection, but I still got 3 micro right now. We'll see if we can actually hold this, guys. I'm gonna try and downsize my position as well, not just during Asian market. Downsizing during the Asian market right now, it's to kind of like get into a practice mode, right? Because I'm trying to really try to downsize my position during New York as well. I'm gonna be like 3 to 5 micro starting tomorrow during the biggest and largest trading session, New York, and we'll see if I can actually do a better job, right? I really gotta find a way to downsize and try to go slow and not do anything stupid, like, you know, trading gold, for example. Like, all I really have to do is stay consistent, calm down, and trade the instrument that I'm supposed to be trading, downsize my position, and I think if all goes well, I think I should get there, right? So it's a very, very important next 10 days of the month. This target hasn't changed yet. I'm still targeting 30K. That hasn't changed. Right now I'm kind of sitting in that 16,000, so we'll see. I need another 14 more thousand to get it up there to the 30s, but I think that's doable. I think, you know, I'll try to I'm gonna try and take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm gonna try and request 10,000 from Apex after trading 8 more days across my 7 Apex accounts that I have, right? And then 246, 246, 810. Yeah, I think 10,000 definitely doable in the next 10 days, because all I really have to do is trade 10 more days. Sorry, 8 more days, right? And then I'm gonna fight to take some payouts from Take Profit Trader, Tradify, and then funding ticks as well. So, you know, funding ticks and Tradify alone is gonna be like 4,000 there. And I'm gonna try to take about 3,000 from Take Profit Trader, and then that's gonna put me into a much less pressure to try and take from Apex. So give or take, I think we should be doable, guys. We'll try our level best to get there, and obviously, yeah, it's that's my goal. And I'm gonna try my level best to also try and lose less accounts, because I think that's gonna be truly very important to me as well, to really have a good start to November, guys. I think it's very important that I really try to stay consistent, guys. The more I try to be aggressive in my trades, I think it's only gonna put me in a really bad spot to start November, right? So last year, if you think about it from a grand scheme of things, last year in the month of November, I had 0 accounts to trade at the start. I had to start all over again after getting a huge payout denial last year in the month of September. I had a pretty bad October and November, and then of course I did a great December as well, but October and December was pretty ugly last year. So at least I do know that I'm having a much better month for now, and so we'll see how it goes. Is profit gross not counting sign up and activating? What does that mean, Suketa? I was there for all of it. Oh, just said right, you were there? Really? Were you there last year? Really? Come on, just said right. Are you serious about that? Yeah, I had a big fat denial last year, man. I was so pissed, and I was fairly new to YouTube as well, so that obviously kind of, you know, got me into the more weird, I would say, situation where I was new to YouTube, and I got a big denial from Apex, and I was like, I had a major mental breakdown. Major mental breakdown. And then, and it took me like a month to kind of like creep back up again. It was very tough to call back up again, I'll be honest. Yeah, it really affected me in a big way. And of course, I was also fairly new to YouTube too, so I was like, you know, it wasn't easy, but it's okay now. At least so far, I'm having a good month, so we'll see how it goes. That's all I can ask for. All right, we get a little pullback or what now, guys? Are we gonna try and build more? I would say accumulate more liquidity in this area and maybe start to get a pullback here. If we can't get above this VWAP, guys, man, this could just really be building more liquidity to give us a much bigger dump in this market, guys. All right. So I'm almost kind of better off to try and place my stop here, maybe down into the 55. Because if we can't hold this, if we try to dump, I think we could go all the way down to fill the gap, right? Guys, I've got a big issue right now with my network. I don't think my network is functioning the way it's supposed to be. It's either my network, my connection, Wi-Fi is pretty bad, or I don't know. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you so much. And we will do our giveaway. I haven't decided what it's going to be. Either we do... hold on one second, guys. My computer just froze against me now again. All right, guys, it's something going on. Oh dear. Well, mic is working, but everything else is kind of like... Oh, it's working now, but it's... Wow, what an unstable network connection right now, guys. It is all messed up, but it's okay. Well, look at this, man. We are getting a pullback here. I could not move my mouse for like a few minutes now. We'll try to move it down to 51. Yeah, it's pretty ugly. Wow, look at this, man. What is up with my computer, guys? Incredible. Well... Weird. Yeah, let's try to make this let's try to make tonight a very special night, guys. Let's try to get over 400 viewers, concurrent viewers, guys. Let's try to do that. Let's try to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. We got a giveaway here tonight as well, so if you guys want to hang out, I will send an instruction right now, guys, as well. All right, I did send an instruction, guys, on our main chat. You guys can go ahead. It's the same thing, really. Nothing really, anything different, to be honest. Same 1 to 150, guys. You guys can go ahead and push your numbers now. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, as well. Oh my God, my computer just frozen me again, which is great. Wow, there's something going on with my computer, everyone. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's network. It's frustrating, to be honest. My network's down again. And my Streamlab is working, but it keeps getting disconnected. So look, my chart kind of froze. I don't know if you guys can see this chart froze. Right? Can you guys see that? My chart actually froze. Can you actually type in my YouTube chat, guys? Can you actually chat? Can you let me know if you guys can hear me right now? Look, man. Like, my chart's frozen right here, right now. Incredible. All right, I see. All right, Symphony, LGC, you guys can hear me? Okay. You guys can hear me, but my actual computer is kind of froze. Yeah. Can you guys see my chart? Actually froze. It's weird. Oh my god. Horrible, guys. Well, I shut it off the whole weekend. I said to myself, I had enough of this trading. I want to stay away from trading. Something's not right, guys. I don't know, man. This computer just froze against me. It's pretty. Oh, there we go, guys. Wow, it's so bright. It is moving now. I don't know what it is. Well, I think it's moving now, I guess. Yes. Sorry, everyone. Sorry, guys. Thank you so much for your patience. It's, yeah. Everything is getting frozen. I don't know, this market. We are hitting that rejection of the VWAP all the time, so. LE 415, man. Yeah, I had a great weekend. Guys. I completely just try to stay away from trading at all. All I really try to do is look for deals, and you know, I just try to come up with a better game plan for the rest of the 10 trading days we have. And I was looking for some deals. I did not really have anything else other than I actually ended up buying a Phidias 150k swing account. That you are able to swing trade on that account, right? So kind of like as a YOLO, right? I only paid $35 across like all accounts, the same thing. You only paid $35. So I bought one, you know, like $35. You know what? What's the worst thing it can be? So, but you can only have one per user, so I could only get one. I mean, if they allowed like 4 or 5, I would have bought 4 or 5, but that's all you can do. So nothing to lose there. It's that's gonna be fun because I'm gonna be swing trading in that account. Absolutely. I think it's 100 and if I'm not wrong, on that 150k account, the swing trading account, and that's probably about 160 if I'm not wrong. I think it's 160 bucks, or maybe even a little less than that. I'm not sure. So it's like, you know, I was like, you know, I'm gonna get the biggest account because the activation, sorry, the eval fee is the same across the board, whether it's a small account or a big account. So I went with the biggest one, which is 150k, and not even an eval. Sorry, not even eval, meaning not even an intraday. But I went with the swing trading account. That's a 150k. And the activation is only 160 if I'm not wrong. So, well, not for the swing trading account. I mean, who knows? I may end up failing that account. Who knows, right? I'm just gonna swing that account and try to see what I can do. They do a quant tower. I trade off the quant tower. I just can't open the quant tower right now because my computer obviously is not. I don't know what is up with my computer, man. I can't, like, as soon as I try to open quant tower, my computer freezes against me like completely. I can't even do multitasking. I may probably have to end up buying a new computer, I guess. It's weird in that sense. All I'm really looking for right now is I hope this does not froze on me, and I hope this streaming does not get disconnected. That's all I'm gonna be asking for today. I don't think so. They don't have anything web-based, unfortunately. Captain Price, what is going on, man? Zen 25. All right, guys, we are constantly getting rejection of that 62. That's the VWAP, guys. We are having a little bit of a hard time trying to get above the VWAP, but the thing is, though, we had a nice, beautiful bounce off that low, which I kind of like it, you know, to be honest. Nice, beautiful bounce off that level, right? I like that. But we're gonna have to hold this. Wow, look at that, guys. I'm not gonna move my stop. If I get stopped out of here, it's fine. But look at that, guys. Almost stopped me out. I got lucky again. Have you guys noticed that? I keep getting lucky on my stops, guys. It's just not... Every time it's just about to stop me out, I'm kind of getting... I don't know, man. Maybe I'll just try to give myself a little bit more room, I guess. That's funny. Look at that, guys. Random action, absolutely. I think so. But, all right, there we go, guys. It stopped me out, which is fine. I've taken what I need. But look at the dump, guys. Holy. Wow, isn't that something, guys? Yeah, this market is so volatile. We're gonna fill the gap here at, I don't know, what was that? Fill the gap at 34. Is that 34, 35? I'm not really sure. I don't know, man. I don't know what to make out of this market right here. It's pretty wild, to say the least. I don't know. We hit a EMA here. We try to get a bounce off that EMA at 46, but it's it doesn't look very promising, to be honest, man. I kind of feel like this market's weak. Getting rejection of the the VWAP was kind of obvious. Did somebody get an approval? Let's take a look. I think we did. Wow, look at that dump, guys. Let's see. We are trying to hold, but I don't know. No, it's kind of like a really tough spot to try and long and try to short as well, so. I mean, good news in this market, with Trump announcement, even then, it's kind of like struggling to get above this, so. Yeah, look at that dumpage, guys. This is what I was talking about. I was like, you know what? It looks like it's holding, but it's really not. We'll see. So, I don't know, man. It's pretty interesting, guys. Obviously, we all were expecting kind of like a much better price action today, after getting that big news come out from Trump, and between China and the US, I guess. But so far, it doesn't look like this market wants to hold. We may be trying to fill the gap here to the downside as well, which only up like 0.25%. We're just about to fill the gap here to the downside, guys. Incredible. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and long on a pullback here down. Guys, I'm gonna try and long here on a pullback down. Let's see if we can actually. We probably end up retesting the 28, maybe. Because I'm gonna try and long, and I'll try to add to my position on a pullback here down. Very, very wild price action. How much drawdown? I have 677 right now, guys. I've got 677. The drawdown remaining on this bad boy. I may get a little lucky. I don't know. It's not a great looking chart, to be honest. I'm gonna be very honest. Just kind of feels like, you know, we're just gonna get some more dump to do here. Are we gonna get a bounce? I'm gonna try and step in here a little more aggressively, guys. Let's see what happens. 4 contracts, and I'm gonna place my stop here. Hard stop down. 6 contracts. 8. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna try and hold this. See what happens. I'm gonna place my stop here at 33. Right, I placed my stop here at 33, guys. And I went long. I took a stab here at 42. Let's see if we can actually get something moving here. I don't know. We may try to flush it down as well. I wouldn't be surprised if we do that. Or maybe I should be shorting this market, guys. I may be on the wrong side right now. Maybe on the wrong side or what now, guys? One second. Oh, I don't know, man. I just kind of feel like, you know, we get a little bounce. I think we tapped the 35. That's like fill the gap. We fill the gap, guys, to the downside right today. I know a lot of you are saying, well, you know, the Asian market hardly fills the gap. But I don't know. It does kind of feel like, you know, we try to get a balance. Let's see, guys. Let's see if I was right or wrong. I could be wrong. Who knows, man? I'm gonna try and trail my stop here, actually, you know what, down into 37. Yeah, maybe I'll try to... Ah, man, I don't know. Yeah, let me just place my stop here at 37. Yeah, 33, probably a good spot to be. All right, here I am, guys. I hopped on a trade, 42, and I've got a stop here at 33. Yeah, this kind of feels like it's anybody's game. We could just literally get a dump here as well, right? We may try to retest the low here as well. I don't know, right? We try to retest and try to find a footing here and try to get a bounce off that level. But this market obviously is so far looking pretty weak, guys. I don't know. I just don't feel very comfortable right now. But we'll try to take a stab, guys. You know, not a huge really trade. It's only 8 micro. Right? We'll take one here and we'll try to take one more here. Oh yeah, I was supposed to downsize as well. I'm kind of oversized at this moment. 8 contracts is actually a lot, so... What is going on? Jay Han in the house. Michelle, you're locking yourself until Asia 8 p.m. Nice, man, nice. Having dinner first, that's always a great thing. Let's get it, guys. Troy boy, what up, man? Scoutster, keep us to get filled. You're long. LGC, nice, nice, nice. Yeah, I told you guys I was supposed to downsize. And again, it's up to 7 to 8 micros. Like, I'm supposed to be in 3 or 4, 3 to 5 at most. And I'm really trying to try to be in like 3 or 5. But so far, I kind of failed. So, we'll try to repeat the same. 1 second. Down into the 42s. Sorry, the 49. Yeah, it's wonky. Look at this price action, guys. It's pretty ugly. Right? I wouldn't be surprised if yeah, you're right, man. We could see this thing dump all the way down as well. Look at this. It's gonna stop me out right here, right now. It's gonna stop me out. Uh-oh. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? Well, let's try to see if I can actually add. I wanna scale out of my trade here, to be honest. Let's try to do that, guys. Man, this looks like a major dump pitch here right now, guys. Holy. Hold on. Uh-oh. We better hold this 35 now. This is not looking good, guys. Rocket launcher to the wrong side. We have a little problem, Houston. What a nasty looking pullback, guys. All the way down from this 185. Was it 85? Actually, no. We hit 100. $25,000 100 is where we were. just literally about 40 minutes ago, and now we're down to the 35, guys. Incredible. And luckily, I wasn't down at all, even though I was trying to go long. I found a way to exit my trade before we actually dump against me, so a little bit of a problem right now, I would say. Pretty ugly looking chart. I've got 8 contracts, and yeah, it's not looking good, man. We could just literally dump all the way down as well. I'd like to see if I can actually, you know, try to exit my trade. Let's see, guys, if I can actually exit my trade. Who knows? All right, guys, I've got 15 contracts, and I'm gonna try and exit my trade here, guys, on a bounce. A little PP bounce, you know, whatever. I'll try to see if I can exit my trade, guys. Give me a little bounce, and then so I can exit my trade, guys. A little bit of a bounce. I think it's definitely doable. At least back into the 43. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding, guys. Are you kidding me right now? Yeah, the real serious trading, I think you're almost better off just wait till New York, guys. Let's get some directional move during New York. That's when we get the real move, right? Asian market's kind of like a warming up kind of a session for me for today, because I think the real moves are gonna actually happen tomorrow. We're gonna see if this market really has a strength to have a continuation move to the upside, right? So I think that's really what I'm kind of looking for. I want to see some trend, and I think we probably get that tomorrow, guys. Yeah, we're in the Asian market. It's like whatever, right? We'll try to make some fun out. Oh, guys, I'm. Oh, wow, what was that all about? All right, guys, I got a little lucky there. I don't know, man. I didn't really make much, to be honest. I'm trying, but it's like there's only so much you can get out of the Asian market unless you're really aggressive, right? With the contract size that I'm in right now, it's nothing really truly there. So, guys, I'm gonna move my stop to break even here, and if this is gonna stop me out, that's fine. At least I'm out of my trade. Let's try to take one more off the table if I can. Yeah, I've got my hard stop here at the break even, so just in case it pulls against me, and you know, we have a chance of pulling back all the way down to the 25, man. Somebody mentioned about 25, but we could see this thing pull back all the way down there if we can hold this. We'll see, guys. Oh shit, it's gonna stop me out. Oh no, get the hell away from me. Don't even come near me. 35. Yeah, honestly, it's I mean, it's 50-50 at this point. But today, yeah, today we'll do a giveaway, guys. We'll do a giveaway. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. Just smack it like never before, guys. If you guys truly love Stock Tiger, smack that thing. We'll get it going. We'll do our giveaway today, and I'm gonna have to end my stream a little early today as well because I want to get a good rest for tomorrow morning, guys. The real fight and the battle is gonna be tomorrow, guys. I've got to have a good week too. Definitely have to have a good week. I need my funding ticks. Sorry, not funding ticks. My funded futures network. I've got in my code. The code meaning my activation fee code, so I can activate it for free. It's, oh, that stopped me out, guys. Got stopped out there. Excellent, Stock Tiger. You are the man. Yeah, I will be there tomorrow morning. For tomorrow, yeah, I will be trading live tomorrow morning. Now look at that pullback, guys. It's nasty. What the hell is going on right now in this market? A big fat bounce, fill the gap to the downside, and now it's like, oh my god, guys, look at that. Oh, holy. Let's try to long this bad boy, guys. Try to long. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna have a hard stop there. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding, guys. Let's take a look, guys. Let's see what we have here. You know, we got some nice little payouts from Bowser and got his payout approved, which is great. And what is this all about? Congratulations on payout request. This is what it's all about. $1,700. Request a payout. Bowser is a killer. An absolute monster killer, guys. Holy. Let's go back to the main chart. What is this again? Yeah, there's all right, the W pattern. Dan Ammons, good afternoon. How was your weekend? What does that mean? W pattern, yes. Oh, you're pretty bearish with this market. Probably got his target at $25,000, right? That's the target. The red levels are his target down into 25. Looks like he's looking for a pullback down, I guess, right? Guys, don't forget to you guys can go ahead and type in those numbers, right? Between 1 to 150, guys. Go ahead and do that. You got instruction here. It's pretty obvious, pretty clear, right? Let's just do it right now. Type in those magic numbers, guys. Just make sure you're the only one with that number too. No duplication numbers, no two numbers, no nothing like that, okay? All right. The market pulling back here. Pretty nasty red candle on a 30-minute chart. Holy, guys. Wow, look at this dumpage, guys. We are trying to retest of 25,000. Luckily, even though I was kind of long the whole throughout this process, I did not get smoked, guys. I got a little lucky, I guess, right? Wow, look at that dumpage, guys. We are pulling back into the $25,000. Holy mochaccino, guys. What in the world is going on right now? Woo, yeah. Wow, look at that, guys. We're tapping 25. A big psychological level, guys.
Order fill. Order fill.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Am I gonna get into trouble now? Am I gonna get into trouble by trying to long this bad boy right now? A falling knife. This is a pretty aggressive falling knife, guys. I don't like this at all, man. We are retesting the VWAP, sorry, not the VWAP, EMA at $25,000. This is a lot of selling pressure stepping in, guys. I don't like this at all right here. I don't like this, man. Wow, what is up, guys? What is up in this market?
Order fill. Order fill.
I mean, some kind of a bounce. No? What do you guys think? Let's try. 10. It almost kind of feels like we're going to retest 982 now. If we can hold this, then we go all the way down to the 82, which is kind of like 10 points away from where we are right now. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this volume stepping in here. Pretty hard. I am going to get stopped out if this is how it's going to be.
Order fill. Order fill.
All right, guys. All right, man. I'm looking for a small little quick pop here. I don't know if I'm going to be getting that, though. I could be absolutely smoked on this. Wow, look at this nasty bounce, guys. Wow.
Order fill. Order fill. Order fill. Order fill. Order fill. Order fill.
You know what, guys? I haven't made anything. You know, it's like literally break even at this point on all the things that I've done so far. Now, that is really the... it's kind of funny. Are you kidding me, guys? I'm going to flatten this trade right here. I'm like, I made $7 so far, guys, after trading for like 3-4 times. Incredible. What am I doing, guys? What in the world is Stock Tiger doing right here, right now? Incredible. I'll try to go long again. Let's see. Wow, incredible, man. $7, guys. That's all I made. Whole night. Wow. It pays for my labor, of course. I don't think it's gonna. I don't think it's paying for my network connection problem. J, what up, man? Greed. Tisham Michelle. Damn, shorts are eating. Absolutely, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy night. Wow, this kind of feels like it's setting up for some big, violent... Oh my god, guys, I just got bounced. Wow, guys. Holy... Now it's the time to say holy mochaccino. Wow, incredible, guys. We don't know where this market's gonna go. That's exactly what it's signaling. Dr. Phantom in the house. Minus 5%. I don't know if we're gonna get that, you know. Let's not be too negative today. Alright, not bad. We are getting a pullback though. But look at that, guys, man. I think we get a little bounce, maybe back into the $25,000. What do you guys think? We could get another flush down to kind of like take everybody out, but what a nasty pullback, guys. This is a 100 points pullback, everybody. This is a 100 points pullback here. Nasty pullback, everybody. Wow. Woo! Yeah, let's go. Woo! Let's go. I love it. Wow, what a pullback, guys. That's like 100 points pullback right from the top, all the way down, all the way down, 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 down. It just kept pulling back here, guys. We are below 25K. Are you kidding me, AB McGee? Did you actually show this market? including you, perfect play. Did you guys show this market? Damn it. You guys showed it. You could have told me to hop on a short right at the top there, 100. We could have shared this journey, hold our hands, and bang together. Instead, you went on your own. Thank you so much. It was no brainer. Yeah, that's right. No brainer. Wow, incredible, guys. This is this monster. Yeah, pretty aggressive sell-off, you guys. That big bar. Wow, man. I don't know, man. That could be setting up for something of a. I'm not ready to step in here, to be honest, but you know, I haven't made anything in these trades that I've made. I've made 4 trades so far, and I'm like, I've only made $7, actually down to $5 now. Yeah, I'm also waiting for Take Profit Trader, the credits. I'm still waiting for credits, man. I don't have the credits to activate my direct funded accounts. I'll start a direct funded account. What am I saying? This market is gonna making my mental. The master accounts on Take Profit Trader. I still don't have the points. Sorry, the credit points, right, to activate it. So I'm still waiting for them to get it to me. I've got 3 accounts that I've got to activate, so I probably have like 4 funded accounts with Take Profit Trader tomorrow morning to start. And I really better be careful with the way I'm trading with my Take Profit Trader, guys, man. I'm just not been very happy, to be honest. Yes, I mean, I did end up taking quite a few payouts with Take Profit Trader in the last 10 days, but I ended up losing as well, so. It could definitely be in a better last 10 days, man. Last 10 days has been tough. I mean, I'm going to be honest, man. The swings were so huge. It's like pulling back 400 points and getting a bounce 700 points. I would definitely not something that I was expecting, right? So if you're trading with 1 mini contract, even if it's 1 micro, it's really hard to survive in this sort of a market environment, right? We're in. There's no way. Unless you have a hard stop in your trades, but obviously I didn't have my hard stop as well, so I kind of got wrecked even more. Well, guys, man, this is not looking good at all right now. It looks like it wants to keep moving here to the downside. We have to hold this level, which is going to be pretty obvious, at 980, right? 980 is obviously a very important level that we got to hold. 980, and if that can't hold, then I think we pull back all the way down, I guess, to the 940s, right? I think 940s. And then I don't know, if that can't hold, then I think we go all the way down to 0. And how is ES? Let's just take a look at the ES, guys. Maybe, you know, maybe you also take a look at the gold as well. I was just kidding about gold, by the way. Don't get me wrong. But look at this nasty pullback, guys. I mean, obviously, but you know what, guys? If you just take a look from a... look, it's still... Well, we kind of broke underneath the trend line, right? So it's not good at all. Let's move it back to the 15 minutes chart. It's kind of like... Well, yeah, take a look, man. We just broke underneath the trend line, right? We are right underneath that now. So I almost kind of feel like we try to retest the 6708, and then we try to pull back all the way down. I think we pull back all the way down to the 6683. I don't know what you guys think. I think we had a pretty nasty pullback, and that pullback maybe we try to get a little bit of a dead cat bounce back into the 08s, and then we try to pull back all the way down to the 95 on ES. What do you guys think? I think that's what it's trying to do. Let's take a look at the gold here for a moment. I want to see what the gold is doing. But gold is kind of like, well, nothing really there in gold, guys, right? What do you guys see something in gold that kind of make things very interesting? I don't know, man. I think the gold, we have some more pullbacks to do in gold. I almost think this gold right now, it's kind of doing something like this, right? It's setting up for another leg to the downside, but who knows what this gold's gonna do. You guys know I hate gold, so let's go back to M&Q, guys. M&Q. All right, so M&Q, what is going on? I'm long here. I'm long here with 2 micros. Let's just move back to the 1 minute chart, and we actually got a nice little bounce. We may get a bit of a dead cat bounce, right, guys? Back into maybe 24, or maybe not. I don't know. I'm gonna flatten this trade, guys. Well, finally I made $41. Isn't that something, guys? Isn't that something, everyone? You are up $2,400 in gold. Wow, look at you, man. If you hate, then learn to love it. If it's an instrument that's worth learning, I will. If not, I'm not gonna waste my time. All right, I know how to distinguish between the two. I think I know by now, so, and I think I know what I'm doing as well. And this is Stock Tiger. Stock Tiger. Tiger. All right, we get a little bounce or what now, guys? $25,000. We are back up again. Like I said, we could try to retest. We could try to retest the 20. We could do that, right? I kind of like that idea better, but man, it's really hard to say. I mean, we are trying to hold this though. Let's try to go long. I'm gonna try and go long here. Try to maybe, oh man, I don't know. Let's try to see. Tiger 44, what up, man? MJ in the house. Gringo PG MRC $25,000. Are you serious, bro? Requested, guys. MRC trades. Did you put that on our Discord, brother? Did you do that or no? Oh my God, silver! Damn it! Holy! Whoa! Look at that, guys. MRC trades in the house. You've got to be kidding, guys. This is unreal. Unreal. Whoa, man. Holy guys, man. Wow. So what's the plan? MRC trades. I'm gonna have a little interview with you right now, guys. Let's hear what MRC trades has to say. What is MRC trades going to do with his beautiful $25,000 requested with Top Step? You gotta let us know what your plan is in the next 3 months towards the end of the year. Is it gonna be the new Lamborghini, or what is it gonna be? What's the plan? That's the top step, guys. That's a killer top step, man. And he's already taken the $2,000 of that account. I know that MRC Trade was asking me, should he take everything out? And that was like a couple weeks ago. I think that was like literally 2 weeks ago. And I said, take everything out as quickly as you can. And obviously, he could only take 50%, right? So I'm assuming that's like he's made how much again? And I'm assuming he's got like $5,000 across all these accounts extra over and above what he's taking out right now, right? Because that's you can only take 50% of this entire profits, right? So 50 or maybe even more. I don't know. So did we get a response from MRC? Just here watching with you every night. No, don't give me that, bro. MRC Trades. I want your story, what you're gonna do with it. Yes, still have 6,000 balance for each account. That's right, MRC Trades, man. I would love to have an interview with you, man. Well, not an interview. Have a little, a sunshine, have a conversation, a coffee session, if you will. During a live stream, if you want to do that, I'm absolutely all over. Let me know. But in the meantime, I want to know what the hell you're gonna do with this big profit, guys. Everybody wants to know what you're gonna do with it. Don't be shy. Let us know. I would love to hear from you. Amazed. Absolutely killer, guys. Amazed. Look at this, man. Incredible. I love it. I love it. This is what it's all about, man. Seriously, what a huge payout, man. That $25,000. Literally, I worked so hard every month to get 25 to 35K. And after going through so much of pain, but it's like MRC is making me look like a little kid, which is fine. I'm just really happy for MRC Trades, by the way. Congrats, man, once again. Wow. Saving for the rainy day, my friend. Nice. Hey, man. A great response. I like that. Saving for the rainy day. You know what? That's super duper words coming out from a very experienced trader. I can feel that for sure. Absolutely. Now let's just take a look at silver as well. Silver, man, look at this, $15,000. Wow, man, MRC Trades 25K, and we've got silver as well here, $15,800. Oh, wow, man, incredible, guys. Where's my tiger emoji here? I think all of you can actually use my emoji, by the way. You guys can use my tiger emoji if you guys want, right? It's free. It doesn't cost a dime. So look at this beautiful stock tiger emojis, man. Woo! I'm gonna put all of them right now. What else? The dancing, and do I have anything else that I can use maybe? But yeah, man, 15,000 from silver. That's incredible, bro, man. Congrats, man. Like, honestly, huge. I mean, I was looking for something like that, to be honest, myself, but I kind of failed. But look at, man, silver doing $16,000, a little less than that on Take Profit Trader, and MRC Trade with Top Step $25,000, guys. That's huge. And we got Bowser getting a payout from Apex that I got denied from. Excellent. Bowser as well. Obviously Bowser gets payouts every week, man. Pretty incredible, guys. Huge. Congrats once again, guys, man. Big day for quite a few traders. Awesome. You know, that's what it's all about, man. I'm just so happy for you guys doing that, guys. So anyways, back into the trading mode here. Man, guys, I worked so hard today during the Asian market, and I'm up 41. I thought I was only up $6, but I'm up 41. I want to congrat myself as well for making the $41 on an eval account. Wow, man. Incredible, Sock Tiger. You are the man. Yeah, but honestly, yeah, that's a pretty big payouts, guys. You know, I'm pretty sure MRC Trades and Silver and Bowser and all these great traders, they really worked hard to get there, right? It's not like an overnight kind of like a deal where you know you get oh, I got $40,000 payout. It's not like that, you know. It's you have to go through a lot of you know, you got to go through a lot of stuff to get there. So I know, good stuff, man. Truly amazing, truly amazing. You know, these payouts are incredible. Definitely gives us, you know, it's an inspiration and motivation for a lot of traders, including myself, man. Including myself. I'm definitely motivated to do better now. You know? Why a couple giveaways from me? Not from me, bro. I did that couple giveaways when I got my 3,000 payout from Take Profit Trader a few days ago. Well, not a few days ago. I think it was like 7 days ago. And then I ended up blowing that account after a huge celebration with that $3,000 payout on the Take Profit Trader. The very next day, I ended up blowing it. Congrats, Stock Tiger. You know what? Maybe I shouldn't be. I'm gonna. Well, you know what? Don't get me wrong. I am still gonna celebrate every big payout that I get on a single trade with my fellow traders. But I'm gonna have to make it a little bit quiet. You know what I mean? A little bit quiet. A little giveaway session instead of making everybody know. So that way I don't blow that account the very next day. Take Profit Trader have a good sale. I mean, Take Profit Trader, guys, man, it's at 40% right now. You know, you're only paying $100 on a 50K account, which I'm telling you, it's pretty well, not pretty easy. Obviously, no evals are easy, but Take Profit Trader evals are probably one of the more easier one to pass. And I'll tell you why, because it's end of day, right? And it's static. It doesn't move. It's end of the day, so it's not trading, right? So even if you make, you know, it's like, I don't know, my pass rate with Take Profit Trader, if I'm taking it very seriously on an eval account, are probably 80 to 90%. And then that obviously, when you turn that account to the funded account, that's when it kind of gets a little tricky because it's now trailing instead of end of day. And that's a little bit of a challenge, but I think overall, once you get to the funded accounts, you know, once you get above the buffer, it's like an everyday. Like we've got some great traders on our Discord, Versa. I don't know if you guys know Versa, right? You know, Versa has been struggling for quite a while, but he ended up taking, I think, 4 straight payouts in a row with one single account. I don't know if Versa is here. We got over 300 viewers right now. I'm probably assuming Versa is at the bar having his Corona right now and listening to what I say. Maybe not. I don't know. Come on, Versa. Let me know if you're here. Anyways, yeah, he's taking like 4 straight payouts in a row, and that wasn't small. Anyways, let's try to get back into trading, guys. Enough of yapping here from Stock Tiger. But I mean, we are quite far away from the VWAP here at 41, right? We are getting a little bit of a W pattern here, but I don't know. I just don't really have a lot of conviction with the way we actually ended up getting a huge nasty pullback here all the way down. So maybe we try to get a little bounce, but that bounce could be a fade. Maybe a rejection, and then maybe a continuation pullback here. You know, honestly, it makes me kind of feel like, you know, we could retest the 980 here. 980 is definitely doable, unless we try to call back up above the 23, which is kind of like doesn't look like it wants to do that, to be honest. I don't know. I'm just not very comfortable with this price action, to be honest. I just don't like it at all. I don't know what you guys think. What is up, Henry in the house, man? Chris B 44, DJ Nascent, what up, man? Is there a minimum you can withdraw from Take Profit Trader? Well, if you anything you make above $2,000, you can request that, right? So let's say if you're on a 50K account, right? If you're on a 50K account, let's say you make 52K, you're right at the buffer, right? And then let's say you had another trade and you went all the way to 55K. The difference between this and this was 3K. This is what you can take out on your funded account. But you cannot touch the $2,000 because that's the buffer, and that's what it has to stay in the account. But anything beyond the 52K, you can take all of them out the very next day or the very same day at night. Right, that's what it is about Take Profit Trader. But be careful, it's trailing though when it's funded, when you get to the funded account. But I think by far, you probably have the best chance to, to get probably, bigger payouts with using Take Profit Trader. It's a good firm. I really like Take Profit Trader. I think also Top Step is also pretty good, guys. Top Step. Look, look, Top Step. You see a lot of traders on YouTube saying stuff about Top Step, but you know what? At the end of the day, look, MRC Trade is a first-hand experience. He's taking a huge payout. If Top Step is such a bad firm, then there's no way in the world that you were able to take this sort of a payouts, guys. There's no way in the world, okay? So if anybody tells you Top Step is bad just because they're an affiliate with something else, that's a huge false. Okay, Top Step is still one of the finest prop firm in my humble opinion. And just because I'm not an affiliate with Top Step, that doesn't mean that I do not say what is true and what is accurate. It is a good firm, MRC Trade taking $25,000 off the Top Step. That's a huge amount, right? So that's what it is. But at the same time, Top Step is also equally slightly better, in my opinion. Slightly better, but not by far, though. All right. But congrats, man. MRC Trades, man. You killed it, bro. That's an incredible monster. Wow, I'm like, I don't know, man. I don't even know what to say, man. Honestly, this is crazy. This is crazy, man. Silver taking 16,000 on Take Profit Trader. Honestly, what a classic example of how to get stuff done. What a good example, Silver. That's super duper, man. But honestly, MRC Trade, this is a home run. It's not easy to do this, guys. I know that. I know. It's not easy to take $25,000 on Top Step like that, just like that. And it's already taken $2,000 across each of these accounts, and then another 44. And it's already got enough buffer on these accounts. And this is not gonna be the end. This is just the start of a much bigger payouts to come. Incredible, guys. Big shout out to MRC Trades for doing that, to be honest. It's not easy, but he's done it. Incredible. How many days do you have to trade with Top Step? You have to, once you get to the funded stage, once you get to the funded account, it's still end of day drawdown, right? So you still have an end of day drawdown capacity, and then you have to have $150 winning $150 or more 5 days of $150 or more. But take profit trader, you only have to trade for 1 day. And if you make $5,000, that's what I did, you know. That one account that I had that I took $3,000 payout, I made $5,600 in one single day. One single day. It was a new account. I took $5,600 profit in one single day, and I ended up taking $3,000. I think it's $3,800. And of course, you have the little bit of a split, right? 80-20, and then I ended up taking $3,100. And this market's kind of choppy here, guys. I don't know what this market's trying to do, to be honest. What account size was that? Are you asking me? On what account? Oh, that was 50K. The one I took $5,600. That was on my 50K account. Yeah, I ended up that was funny. Because I closed my eyes and I went 4 mini contracts on that wild bounce. We had a massive bounce. I went 4 contract mini at the right perfect time. Got very, very lucky. I'm gonna be very honest. And I ended up taking $5,600. And single day, the very next, well, not very next day, the same night. You guys were there. I was trading live during Asia, and I requested a payout. And at the same time, I did 4 giveaways that night. 4 giveaways. So when I have stuff like that happen down the road, I will do a lot of giveaways, guys. Just bear with me. I got payout denied a few days ago, so Stock Tiger in a little trouble, if you will. All right, so I'm very negative about resetting funded accounts. You know that. You guys know that very well. I have never said anything good about resetting funded accounts. Right from the start, for many months, and I said, I am never going to reset funded accounts. Never. Right? Even if I have the payouts, even if I have the funds to do that, I would never want to do that, guys. Never. I don't think it's worth the time and energy. I know what you guys, some of you disagree with my statement, but if you guys want to hear my opinion, my answer to that question is an absolute no. Thoughts on quantum stocks bubble? I think so. I mean, quantum stock was a classic example of, you know, bubble, but honestly we'll have to wait and see though, right? I mean, the market getting a bounce. I think quantum stock almost really kind of feels like, I don't know if you guys know, I don't know if you guys remember those what do you call this, the charging stations, right? The charging stations. What are those charging station firms? Charging, electric charging, right? Electric charging, like plugins or charging station companies. I can't remember exactly what those were. The EV charger, right? EV charging station companies we had a long time ago. Anyways, I can't remember exactly what those were, but those were a major bubble, and they all like, you know, a charging point is one. Yeah, all of these actually ended up like getting a nasty pullback, right? I think quantum is probably the same thing. I think the bull run is over it, but I could be wrong. Who knows what this market's gonna do? But I think quantum is not looking that good, to be honest. And I could be wrong, but Just my opinion. Have Top Step ever rejected your payout? Absolutely not. Top Step would never reject your payout, brother. Never. And Take Profit Trader would never reject your payout as well. None of these firms are gonna reject your payout, guys. I have never seen anybody reject my payout, with an exception, Apex. Apex is the only one rejecting my payout. Stock Tiger payout, everybody. What's the main reason for the payout now? Well, they're telling me I hedged, so which obviously, you know. Yeah, let's not talk about that, guys. All right, we are kind of like trying to hold this $25,000, man. Holy. We could hold this $25,000, guys. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think I'm going to try and lean more to the long here, guys. I'm going to try and a short-term long here. Let's try to hold this. Let's see. I'm going to place my stop here at 96. Sorry, 86. I went 2 micro, guys. 2 micro. Nothing really big, huge. I'm a small little trader. J Dude Tweet. Top Step has rejected a lot of payouts. Really? I haven't seen anybody, at least from my perspective.
Order filled.
I haven't seen anybody get rejection of the... Hold on 1 second, guys. Cancel.
Order filled.
I exited this trade. Guys, I exited that trade. I did not feel comfortable. I exited that trade. I was up, but then I exited that trade, guys. And by the way, I've got some big announcements, guys, right now. I want to let you guys know we have a huge announcements. We got a tigerprops.com, which is my new website. Obviously, I've been working on this for quite a while now. It's work in progress. It's just the beginning of a much bigger stuff to come. And I wanted to let you guys know. There is a link there. It's going to take you to this tigerprops.com. And you have, obviously, our Discord link. Follow me on X and my YouTube channel as well. And it's a nice looking website, guys. If you guys want to support me, you guys can obviously take a look at the Tiger Props. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know too. It's gonna get you to the most recent live streams as well too. So it's there, and yeah, it's a small. I mean, nothing really too significant, but I mean, this is a start, a beginning of a much bigger stuff to come. And I think the main thing here is to kind of like give yourself an update on all the prop firm promos, and then I think the bigger one is the prop firm comparison tool as well. The prop comparison tool is going to take you to another link, and that link is going to take you to this nice, beautiful sets of you know, accounts on different firms with all the different discounts and consistency. If you want to know a lot more about what sort of an offer and what sort of an account size and cost and activation, consistency, drawdown, all of that information is here, hands-on. It's all in this tool on this one single page, and you can also use the filter to kind of get it down to what you want to really specifically know. Like maybe you guys can compare. Let's say, for example, you want to get to the 50K account, right? Just 50K accounts you want to know. Then you guys are gonna see Take Profit Trader drawdown is end of day, and the consistency is 50%, right? So you guys are gonna see all this information in one glance on this website. This is just the beginning. I'm gonna have more and more updates as we get through this process. Thank you guys for all your support. And guess what? Somebody helped me to get through this, and I think you guys know Zando. We got Zando. Go by WP Luna. He's obviously one of he's there. I don't know if he's here right now, but he's been with me for many months. Zenda's not there right here. Okay, but yeah, he's been with us for a very long time, and he's also a prop firm trader too himself, and he helped me to get through this. And if you guys want to build something like this, you guys can obviously reach out to him. He go by Zando on our Discord, okay? He's a Zando, goes by Zando on our Discord. He's there, he's active, and he's the one who helped me build this website for me. And this thing looks absolutely amazing. And we'll just try to make it better every day. And thank you guys once again for your support. You guys want to compare obviously the firms and the discounts, you guys can use this. If you click on the discount, you guys it's gonna take you straight to their website as well. Okay, so this is what it is. Awesome website. My link is there on the banner itself. Zihan, what up, man? Thank you so much, brother. Stargates, man, what up? Yeah, it's just the beginning. We're trying to make something even better than what we have right now. So see, Tom Fraud, yeah, Henry, man. MRC Trades, Scalpster. Only successful stock from around that time is Palantir. Yeah, I agree, man. Palantir is definitely a monster. What is Palantir right now? It's like $200. Incredible, guys, man. There was times where we were talking about Palantir when it was down like at $30. $30, I was like, no, it's too expensive. And now it's like $200. Incredible. Incredible. What are you doing, Stock Tiger? Isak Maysak, what up, man? Messias. Chris B. In Month Daily, what up, man? You can fund your own account for the amount of Take Profit Trader funded reset price. And that's true. J Dude Tweet, Justin Wright, Chris B, DJ, Bull Cambo. Alright, guys, thank you, all of you, for being here once again. Let's hold on. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. I'm just about to, we'll start the giveaway now. Guys, we'll start the giveaway, everybody, while everybody's here. Okay, so it's right here, guys. We got a Stock Tiger fam giveaway happening momentarily. If you guys have not posted your numbers on our Discord, guys, go ahead and do that right now, because I'm just about to do that. Call out a winning number in about a few minutes, guys. Let's go, everybody. Come on, guys. I want to see you. Let's see if we got a whole bunch of traders posted their numbers. Oh, by the way, this is gonna be a cash giveaway. I've already mentioned that. Good luck, everybody. Cash giveaway. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Post it now. Oh, the link is broken. Hold on one second, guys. I'm gonna have to give some newer traders a chance to participate, so we'll delay our giveaway another few minutes, guys. Guys, we are getting a pullback here. Not a great looking chart, to be honest, man. Not a great looking chart. I kind of feel like, you know, this oh man, I like that, you know. I like that, guys. I like this one so much. What a great looking picture here, everyone. What a beautiful picture, man. I'm gonna have to give you credit for that, for sure. Al Capone, man, good stuff. I like that. Thank you so much. All right, I shared the Discord link. Use that link to hop onto our Discord, guys. And go ahead and post your numbers. I'm gonna give you guys a few more minutes. Well, Henry, never broken for you? What does that mean? Are you having a hard time today? Krish, what up, man? Ralph Apex. Ralph Apex, how do you pronounce your name? Rendipex 132. Captain Price falls fast. I know, man. When it falls pretty crazy. What a nasty pullback here, all the way down from 100, guys. We hit a 25,100 and we pulled back all the way down to 25k. So that's like literally 100 points in Asia, guys. A big 100 points pullback in Asia. Incredible. That's huge. That's huge. Yeah, what a pullback here, guys. This pullback, I don't know if it's over yet. It almost kind of feels like maybe we are trying to have this bearish head and shoulders kind of play out, right? This could be a bearish head and shoulders play out. But so far we are kind of holding though, right? If you just take a look, I'm gonna draw that line there. This could be like we're right at the edge of this pivot, right? Right at the edge. So if we can't hold this, I think we pull back all the way down again, right? We could see this and pull back all the way down into the 79s, which would be right up here, and maybe down into the 94, 949. Yeah, I mean, that's definitely very doable, guys. I don't know, man. I mean, this market was supposed to be bullish, right? Coming into today. Supposed to be bullish just based on the news that we had, but it's looking bearish, guys. I don't know what it's all about right now. But maybe we're kind of like maybe trying to take some profits off the table, guys. Maybe it's, you know, the longs taking their profits right now. So maybe a little bit of a profit-taking pullback, you know. And maybe tomorrow morning, the buyers step in to push this market back up into the Asia high. And we are getting on. Oh yeah, man, that's another rejection there, guys. It's a pretty nasty pullback here. Obviously, I told you guys coming into today, I want to take it a little bit slow, right? I don't want to get into a situation where I end up blowing accounts. You know, that's a bad start to the week, right? Today's a Sunday night. I want to take it a little slow because I kind of feel like tomorrow's could be a more important day. So I want to take it slow. And I made this beautiful $32. Wow, stock tiger. But yeah, I'm trading micros for now, and I think I'm gonna probably end up doing the same thing tomorrow morning as well. I don't know, but look at this, man. It's a pretty nasty looking pullback here, guys. What a nasty pullback. I don't know why it's not taking you to my Discord. It's weird. I don't know, bro. I'm gonna give you guys one last stab. I'll give you guys few more minutes, guys, and then we'll go ahead and do our giveaway, so we can get it done. But guys, man, MRC trades once again, that $25,000 payout from Top Step, and silver, $16,000 of payout from Top Step. Sorry, Take Profit Trader. Wow, man, guys, it's amazing. Amazing. I'm still thinking about it right now, by the way. Incredible. Incredible. It's not easy to do that, right? We all know it's not easy to do that. All right, so we are pulling back here down. I think man, we got a big fat rejection of that 15. I think we pull back down, guys. We're gonna probably end up testing this 980. I don't know. I mean, I kind of feel like I'm too late to short this market and try to go long as well at the same time. So I'm kind of like stuck in between the two. It's gold. What's gold doing, guys? Maybe the gold. Oh my goody, guys. Gold pulling back as well at the same time. Gold pulling back here. Incredible. Yeah, I don't want to trade gold right now. Yeah, I'm gonna be in trouble if I trade gold. You guys know. You guys know. My account's gonna blow. Trading gold. Yeah, I'm trading Tradify eval account 50k that I hit DLL last week. I still have that account, so I'm trading that right now. And I've got I have a few DLL on my listed trader account too. Gosh, man, these DLLs, I'm getting smoked. Michael Loney. Nice new member here. Thank you, guys. We got a lot of new members, by the way, today, and thank you all of you for being here today. It's my honor to be able to live stream in front of my fellow traders every day during Asia. And just keep in mind, I go live during New York as well, right? I go live during New York, not every day, but I try my level best to go live as much as I can. You guys know I'm a part-time trader, right? Tokyo's open already. Alfred Haywood in the house, man. What up, Alfred? Alfredo. Guys, we are retesting we're not retesting. We just tapped 980. Man, look at this nasty pullback here, guys. Oh my. Thank you for subscribing, JJ Trades. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Like I said again, we've got a lot of new members on our channel today, and I want to thank you guys once again for being here with us. PA about to blow. Kid Poker in the house. PA about to blow. 983. Incredible. This is a monster shorting opportunity today, and I've been trying to go long. Luckily, I don't know how, but luckily, Stock Tiger trying to go long. I did not get smoked. I ended up actually being on the green, even though I'm against the trend. And I did not get into any trades, guys. Today is probably the most conservative trades you would ever see from Stock Tiger. You guys know that, right? I'm probably the most conservative I've ever been in my trading journey today. I've only traded like 3 times. It's weird. 3 times, and that's it today. And what an incredible night, guys. We are down quite a bit. We are down, guys, man. We are down 100 points. We hit the high 100 points to the upside, and now we're down back into the 24,977. We're down 130 points, guys. Are we getting some news or what now? Are we getting some news, guys? So Trump says ceasefire in Giza is still in effect, so that's good. New Zealand CPI. We just got a New Zealand CPI, by the way. It came in a little bit hotter than expected. All right, so I don't know if New Zealand CPI is really moving this market, guys. There's got to be something else, man. There's got to be something else, guys. There's got to be something else. I don't know what it is. Guys, I've got to go use my washroom. 1 second, I'll be right back. Damn it. A bit urgent. I'll be right back. Few seconds, guys. Whew, that was good. All right, I am back here again, and this market is pulling back. Incredible. 968 now, guys. We're down about 140 points. Wow. Like, honestly, I don't even know what to do now at this point, guys. We are pretty oversold now, right? We're pretty oversold. Yeah, man. RSI 23 is pretty oversold, guys. But let me just move back to like 15 minutes chart. Let me just try to take a look. See, we just cracked underneath a very important level now, right? I kind of feel like, you know, we try to retest 950. 950 is where I think we're gonna get down to, right? We just cracked underneath a very important 978, so right, it's very obvious. These are channel support and resistance, right? So, and we broke underneath a trend line here as well. We broke underneath this, and this is a channel support. We cracked underneath that, and the next level of support is gonna be down in the 950. Right, very obvious. So we could see ourselves pull back into the 950s, but it's hard. Oh man, look at this pullback, guys. It just keeps going. What's going on, guys? I mean, and wow, whoa. No, man. Jeez, guys. I don't know, man. Come on, guys. Like, tell me you guys actually caught this move to the downside. Tell me, did anybody catch this move to the downside today? Tell me, guys. Anybody did that? I mean, what a great job if you guys did that. I mean, I don't know, man. Oh, one trade a day you did? Like, I don't know, guys. What am I gonna do now? Try to go long right here? I know it's pretty oversold, but this pullback here is pretty substantial. Look at this volume getting... Big volume on a pullback here. Incredible. Maybe a Trump tweeted something. I don't know, man. We don't have any news. Maybe it's just profit taking? I mean... Oh! Whoa!
Order fill. Order fill.
You've got to be kidding, guys. Stuck tiger on a chase mode. You think we get a bounce, guys? You think we get a bounce? I think we get a bounce, man. Holy mochaccino, look at that, guys. Come on, like, this is not real. You've got to be kidding me, guys. I think we get a bounce, guys. All right, guys. Stop at the break even, guys. Stop at the break even now. What was that, guys? Whoa! I have no idea, bro. Oh, I got stopped out of break even, guys. I got stopped out of the break even.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm long, guys. I'm trying to add. My stop here will be down into the 956, guys. Let's see. Let's see. You've got to be kidding. Wow. Guys, man, something going on right now, man. I don't see any news. There's no news. I don't see any news, guys. I don't see any news. There's nothing there. And we just literally pulled back 160 points down. And now we're getting a bounce off that 956. But this bounce, guys, now it's literally about 30 points bounce in a matter of a second. That's incredible. There's got to be something that we don't know. Such a volatility. Government is still shut down. Maybe the government is not shutting down anymore. Maybe I can smell something fishy under the surface. Something's boiling. What is this, guys?
Order filled.
I exited the trade, guys. I exited that trade. I'm still up 16 bucks, but wow. But there's got to be something going on right now. Yeah, with this sort of volatility, there's no way I'm going to go to bed now, for sure. This market has got me very excited right here, right now, guys. But I'm just still a little confused. I mean, that's a pretty violent bounce, though, right? Everything was still bearish, and now all of a sudden, it's like a huge bounce that we're getting. So, I don't know. That's a pretty huge bounce we're getting, guys. This bounce is pretty substantial. It's not a small amount. What in the world is going on right now, guys? Sorry, man. I did not take a look at the chat. I'm sorry, guys. Let me just read the chat while we wait for this market to do its thing. PG, JJ, MJ, Justin Wright. Yeah, that was a weird candle. I can tell you that much. Not done selling. Alfred Haywood, what up, man? It's not done selling, really? You think we're gonna get a more pullback here? Who knows? Who knows? Yeah, I gotta be careful. Pound in the house, man. What's the FOMO? Yeah, I was definitely a FOMO. But you know what? I kind of felt like, you know, we have some more bounce to do because... Hold on one second, guys. We are getting another move. This could be a breakout. This could be a breakout, guys. Let's try to go long. Oh, guys, I went long, but I don't know if it's filled. There's a bit of a glitch here, guys. There's a bit of a glitch. Uh-oh. I'm in trouble now. The real FOMO, Stock Tiger. Guys, man, I entered, I think 3 or 4 contracts, but... Oh my god, you've got to be kidding. Now it's getting filled. Hold on one second. I gotta flatten this straight.
Order filled.
I exited that trade, guys, at the break even. There's something going on with my computer too. It's crashing on me as we speak. I think you guys are able to see that on my chart. It's kind of broken, guys. I'm so sorry, man. But my network is very unstable now. And so my chart and everything else freezes against me constantly. So just in case my stream gets over, you guys know the reason why. Just in case. I don't think that's gonna happen though. Like last time it crashed on me. Everything just literally shut down. ND, what up, man? Oh, it still doesn't work. When you refresh, the things get worse. So I better not touch anything, to be honest. All right, guys, we got our giveaway to do. So Just give me 1 minute. We'll get that going here. Joker Traits, man. What is going on, brother? What is up? Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. You have Mac? No, I don't have Mac, and I've got Asus gaming laptop. I think the only problem is really the RAM. I'll be honest. I've got a 32 RAM. That's not good, guys. We are getting a pullback here. Yeah. Guys, don't forget to smack the like. I'm just about to do our giveaway now. Let's see if we got enough numbers. Did you guys put down your magic numbers, guys? Let's go ahead and do it, guys. I thank you guys for being patient today. This market is absolutely killer today. Down about 150 points now. Incredible, guys. Look at that. Wow. I don't even know what to do now at this point, to be honest. Wow, it's a big day. This is kind of setting a tone for tomorrow, guys. I can already smell how volatile the market's going to be tomorrow morning. I may have to run away from trading tomorrow as well. I don't know. The last thing I want to see is lose accounts. This volatility it's tough to trade, guys, man, because when you move like 100 points in like about 10 minutes, you end up losing your account whether you like it or not, because even if you're in 1 minute contract, you end up losing. And it's tough. Perfect play, man. When in doubt, stay out. Absolutely. Surname, what up, man? Jimmy Channel, can we lower Chinese tariff but says they must do things for us too? Oh, is that the reason why we are actually getting a flush here today? I don't know. I don't know if that's good enough to bring this market down 160 points, guys. It's not a small amount. There's got to be something else really boiling under the surface. If I have to make a little bit of a guess, I kind of feel like maybe it's the government shutdown. I think it's the government shutdown, and I think it's also profit taking as well. You know, I think profit taking, the bulls are kind of like finding a reason to take profits off the table, and this could be related to a bit of a Chinese news with Trump saying they've got to do stuff for us, and then on top of that we got a government shutdown that's not resolved yet. So we've got two catalysts that may be moving this market, or I don't know if there's something else. Oh, Trump just spoke. Okay, all right, guys, we're gonna do our giveaway now. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are participating. If not, still good luck. It's on CNN and Fox. Okay, Mike Maloney, thanks, man. Thanks, guys, for sharing that information. I truly appreciate it, guys. And we are just about to do our cash giveaway. A number between 1 to 150. I'm gonna call out a winner right here, right now. Good luck, everybody, once again, if you guys are participating. There's a little bit of a bounce in this market. All right, just 1 second, guys. My computer froze on me again. Wow, incredible, guys. Hold on 1 second. Oh, Charles Jolie, did My Funny Features ever deny a payout? Absolutely not. They would. I don't think I've ever seen them do that to me. I never got any payout denied from anybody with other than Apex. Apex is the only one they got. They paid. Well, they denied my payout. That's it. Nobody else. Nobody else. Even after getting over what again? Over $220,000 this year payouts across the firm. Apex is the only one they pay. They deny my payout, right? Nobody has denied my payout. I think, if I'm not wrong, I think they ask us for SIN number, SIN seller now. They when I signed up a while ago, they did not. But now I think you gotta get them the SIN number. I think. They told me I was hedging, so which I'm not gonna dispute right now. I don't hedge, by the way. You guys know I don't hedge my accounts, which is fine. We'll just have to trade another 8 days, guys. That's what I'm gonna do, and you know, request another payout. You know, that's all I've got to do. All right, good luck, everybody. Giveaway starts now. I'm assuming everybody's posted your numbers, and I'm assuming everybody has smashed a like. Thank you guys for all your support, and thank you guys for being here as well. Generating a number to find out who the winner is. Good luck. Oh yeah, let's go. Give me 1 minute, guys. My Discord link, sorry, my Discord is not uploading on my computer. God, this computer. Ugh. Having a lot of trouble, everybody. Having a lot of trouble. Yeah, I need to have my Discord open in front of me so I can type in the number, the winning number. Oh my god, come on. And this market riffs without Stock Tiger being on a trade looks like it wants to get a bounce, guys. What do you guys think?
Order filled.
I'll try to long this. I'm trying to go long here, guys. I'll try to go long. Yeah, my Discord's not working too. What's gold doing, guys? Is gold pulling back all the way down? Oh my god, guys, both gold and Q pumping. What is the matter with this market, guys? What is going on? All right, we got a next level of resistance here at 25k. Let's see what this market does at 25k. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I'm trying to get my load up my Discord. I'm just not able to do that. My computer's being annoying. Sorry, guys. Just 1 second. Guys, make sure you have to post in your numbers on our Discord, not on our YouTube chat. God, guys, my computer, it's not loading up. Wow, look at this bounce, guys. Incredible. Just bear with me, everybody. My computer just having a little bit of a tough time. I'm doing okay. It's just I can't. My browsers are kind of all broken. The only thing that's working right now is the chart in front of me. That's the one you guys can see. That's really the only thing that's working right now. That name is, you're gonna give me a Mac, yeah. Nah, oh my god, I can't believe this. My computer is just so annoying. Yeah, I think Trump may have. Well, I don't know if Trump actually ended up saying something. To be honest, it's pretty wild. It's pretty wild, man. Guys, I'm just gonna try and shut down some browsers. I'm gonna have to restart my computer once the streaming is over too. Maybe it's the browser issue. I don't know. It's pretty weird how it's not working. Sorry for the disruption here, guys. Sorry for that. I don't know what it is. What is up? Yeah, I can't move anything right now. Not even my chart. Not even my chart, guys. I can only move my mouse, but I can't move my chart. Oh, now I can. Hold on one second. Maybe it's working now. Let's give it a try. Come on. Ah. Guys, sorry, man. I think it's back now. I think it's back now, but all right, it's back now, guys. I don't know. I better finish off my giveaway now and walk away before it crashes on me again. Well, I think I got my TP got hit. My TP got hit, guys. I mean, my wow, look at this bounce, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna do finish off the giveaway before the stuff gets pretty wild again. Oh my god. All right, good luck, everybody. 11, guys, number 11. We have Silent. I think it's Silent, guys. Oh dear. Do we have Silent in the house? Silent, are you there? Is it Silent who won the giveaway right now? Silent, I think it's Silent, guys. Oh my god, it froze on me again. Silent. Silent, are you here? Alright, Silent, just let me know if you are here. And I think Tutti Frutti is gonna confirm that you are. Alright, there you go. Tutti confirmed that you are the winner as well. Salim, congrats once again. You are the champion here today. I need you to DM me separately once the streaming is over, which is about to end now. Send me a friend request and we'll get that process for you. Good job, man. Salim, you are the winner. Cash giveaway, 30 bucks. Congrats once again. Great job. And the giveaway is done for today. And the streaming end right here, guys. Sorry, I think I'm having a lot of trouble with my computer right now. It's still freezing against me. I'm having a little bit of a difficult time trying to continue streaming right now as I speak. So we'll have to see you guys back tomorrow, everyone. Thank you, all of you, for being here today. It was a lot of fun. We did our giveaway, and this market was very, very volatile. I think, yeah, it's going to be another challenging day tomorrow for sure. I'd love to see you guys back tomorrow during the Asian market, guys, 6 p.m. Eastern time. Thank you, all of you, for being here today. God bless. Have a great rest of the night, guys. Thank you so much once again. Take care, and good night, everyone. Peace.